Hello friends, today we are going to discuss all about method overloading. Now, what actually is the meaning of method overloading? So, if when multiple methods are defined with the same name, this concept is known as method overloading. So you may think that if all the methods are having the same name, then how do we differentiate between them? So we can differentiate them by making use of the different parameters. Means though the name of the method will be same, one method may have one argument, another method may have two arguments likewise. So this concept is nothing but method overloading. So let us try to understand how actually this is implemented in PHP. In PHP, there is one magic function called as call function, and this is used to achieve the method overloading. So if a class executes call method, then if an object of that class is called within a method that does not exist, then call method is called instead of that method. So in this way, you can utilize call method to achieve the method overloading. Now let us try to understand with one example. So I will be creating one class called as shape, and here I'll try to find out the area of circle or rectangle by just passing on number of parameters. For circle, we know that only radius is required, and for rectangle, we know that length and breadth is required. So I will keep the name of the method same, but I will pass either one argument or two argument. So let us see this example. So here within the PHP script file, I'll first define the class shape, and here I am going to first define the body of call method, and this will take two arguments, name and arg. So here I'll put the condition if name is equals to area. So since I want to find the area, so I'll put here name is equals to area. Then I'm going to put up a switch statement, and within the switch statement I'll first count how many arguments have been passed, and based on that, the different case studies will be executed. So, if case is 1, then obviously I'm interested in finding the area of a circle, hence, it will return pi r square. So, here, like it is written 3.14 multiplied by arc of 0, and here area of circle will be written. If the number of arguments count as 2, it means that I'm interested in finding the area of the rectangle. So I'll just pass return argument 0 into argument of 1. Means length and breadth are to be multiplied and the area will be returned. So this is how this shape class is implemented. Now let us first create one object variable of say suppose class shape. So first I'll create object variable circle, then next I'll just put up here echo area of circle, and now note here I am writing here dollar circle arrow operator and the area, and I am going to pass here one value, this is 3. So actually this area method is not defined, and what I am going to do is that I'm just passing here one parameter. So this will be radius, and as we have just read the statement in the earlier slide that if the particular method does not exist, then by default it will go to this particular call method. So this will be invoked and it will check whether the name is area, and if yes, it will count the number of parameter or argument. Here in our case, it is only one parameter, so this case 1 will be executed. This is actually nothing but our area of the circle pi r square. Now similarly, I'll just define one more variable rect, and here now I will just again call the area method, and I'll pass now here two parameters. So here in this case, this second case will be executed, and here it will be multiplied, means length into breadth. Let me show you if I run this particular program, what output I will get. So let us go to our web browser and now observe here what output do I get. So area of circle is 28.26 and area of rectangle is 48. So in this way, PHP magic method is used to perform the method overloading.